Good morning, this Wednesday, the 16th of February. I'm Sophia Mavridis, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, after a big day of earnings reports, the ASX 200 closed slightly lower yesterday as the energy sector lost over 3%, even with the price of oil improving again yesterday. However, energy has been performing very well, so yesterday's fall may have been due to investors taking profits. A few sectors still rose, including tech, real estate, consumer staples and discretionary, communication and industrials. Sims SGM shares jumped 13.7% off the back of a fantastic earnings report. Sales revenue was up 73.9%, statutory EBIT up 334.9%, and underlying EBIT up 541.3% from the prior corresponding period. SEK also advanced after reporting its earnings. Revenue was up 59% to $517.2 million, enabling margin improvement and accelerated investment with major projects proceeding to plan. NPAT was up 32% to $88.1 million. And DXS also gained after reporting its earnings. The most traded stocks by Bell Direct clients yesterday were major banks, Westpac, WBC and NAB. European and US equities both closed higher as Russian and Ukraine tensions started to de-escalate. Russia announced that it has begun returning some troops to deployment bases, which raised hopes a little bit. In New York, the Dow jumped 400 points, closing 1.2% higher after a 3-day losing streak. The S&P 500 gained 1.6% and the Nasdaq gained 2.5%. Now, as for what to watch today locally, the SPY futures are suggesting a 0.93% rise at the open this morning. And looking to commodities, oil has fallen from recent peaks. After reaching 7-year highs on Tuesday, the oil price is currently trading 3.8% lower at $91.84 a barrel. Gold has also fallen after sitting at its best levels in 18 months. Gold is 1% lower at $1,851.68 an ounce. And the seaborne iron ore price is 1.3% lower at $144 a tonne. Now, in economic news, yesterday the RBA released its meeting minutes. There were no new surprises here. The RBA reiterated that it will be patient with any interest rate changes and that wages are to grow at the same pace as inflation. Now, with this in mind, yesterday the Commonwealth Bank brought forward its tip for the first rate rise of the year. CBA previously said August, however, now expect a potential hike in June where we may see a 15 basis point lift. And there is a long list of companies reporting earnings today. CSL is one of them, and we'll be bringing you a full report on CSL later today. And the Commonwealth Bank, CBA and Insurance Australia IAG are set to go ex-dividend today. Now, to end on some trading ideas, Bell Potter maintained their buy rating on Money3 Corporation MNY and have increased their price target from $4.35 to $4.60 after the company reported a solid half-year result. MNY delivered underlying NPAT of $25.8 million, up 29.6% year over year, ahead of Bell Potter's expected $23.1 million. MNY last closed at $3.12, implying 47.4% share price growth in a year. And Trading Central have identified a bullish signal in Woolworths WOW, indicating that the stock price may rise from the close of $34.29 to the range of $35.80 to $36.20 over 26 days, and that's according to the standard principles of technical analysis. And that is all we have time for this morning. I'm Sophia Mavridis with Bell Direct. Have a great day and happy trading.